Hi there, this is Melanie Cagle with QualiCal, and this video tutorial is just a run through on how our customer portal works. This is where our customers can go to view all their records and to pull up the information on the equipment that has passed through the QualiCal facility. You will have been given a username and password by our office, and here is where you would enter it. Now this screen you can get here by it's portal.qualical.net, or on our website qualical.net. There's a link on there that you can click and it'll bring you here too. And this is where you would enter in your information. This is one of my customers who I know will not mind me using their information as a demonstration. So this is the screen that'll first come up when you enter in your information. Now, if you're a customer that has multiple facilities, here's where you can use it to filter the information that you're seeing, or you can just view all my facilities. Your first menu item is assets. So this is basically, if you click here, it's going to bring you to a search, like a search box, and any value that you would put into here is a filter item. So if you're looking for a particular serial number, you could just enter in the serial number here and it will look based on who is the facility that has been selected. Now if you want to just default all, then you would just click find here and it will list all of your equipment or all of your gauges that has been calibrated by us. You can actually change the layout of this by these search fields right here. These are, you can move these around so that it changes the layout. So for example, you don't want to see the barcode, so, and with remember being selected, what happens then is, because remember is selected, the next time you come into the screen, everything that you change in the layout will remain the same. It remembers that particular layout, which is a really nice tool to have. So let's say you don't want to have anything to do with barcodes. Usually when a piece of equipment comes through QualiCal, we would barcode it right away. It's good for our quality system. This way we're able to identify equipment, and it helps stop things get mixed up. Everything is, we use a barcode reader to pull all the information through. So, but it's really not anything that will help you at this particular time. So in selecting this, you can hit X and it should delete that particular criteria. And it's not cooperating right now. Okay, so let's say I want disposition, which is, as you can see, these are the different options of the disposition of the tool. If you want to have that be in your first column, you're going to move it up like so. Let's see if barcode will be deleted now. There we go. I don't know what to say about that. Customer, it's up to you if you want to have customer show up there. So your manufacturer serial number, now you have your manufacturer serial number, but you also have the customer serial number, which is if you have a particular serial number that has been issued by your particular business, then that might be more helpful. So let's see if we can pull up customer serial number. Now that would have dropped down at the bottom. So we can move it up. Now you can open up, you can actually drill down further from here. So you double click and it will take you straight to the asset level. And on the asset level, it gives you the information about that particular asset based on serial number. And as you can see, everything is blued out. Nothing in here, in this system, in the customer portal is editable. The only thing, there's one place which you can see right here. This area right here, disposition, is the only place that you will be able to edit the asset. And it's just the disposition. There's in service, out of service, lost, scrapped, erroneous, in-house. If there's something that you would like to see listed there, for your own internal benefit, just let me know and I can add another option right there. Not a problem at all. And anything that you change here in the disposition will not change in the main system. So it's really only for your own reporting purposes. If you want to create a report and you want to show the disposition and something has actually been scrapped and you want it to say that, that's the only reason for that particular function right there. Now, clicking on history and notes will give you all the past calibration information. So this is all the different work orders, all the different times it's been calibrated. The one at the top, the line at the top, is always going to be the most recent. You can drill down further if you double click, and it will bring you to the work order screen. Now this is everything about that particular job from when it came into our facility to when it left. Again, it's all just view only. Log notes, so if there was anything extra that needed to be logged, let's say it needed to go to the manufacturer for a repair or anything like that, then there will be notes about it right here in the log notes. Any files that may need to have been attached would be here. Standards and accreditation. So this is actually the standard that was used to calibrate that particular gauge. This is the information about it. You can't drill down from there, but that's just to give you an idea. And the notes, if there's any notes that had to be listed, they would be on this particular tab. And that's it. And finally, if you want to print your own certificate, this would be the area that you would do it. It will actually pull up a PDF of the calibration certificate. And you can take that and you can save it. You can save it on your own system, or if you need to pull it up for an auditor, it's up to you, or just leave it and you're always able to access it. It's real easy. And that's how the Assets tab works. Now, in work basically means what do we have at QualiCal that is currently being calibrated. So what is already here in work? So I don't know if they have anything right now. Now again, you can filter it, but usually there's not going to be too much at one time. Again, if you click on remember, then it will remember it next time as to how you wanted it opened. So let's use, we need customer serial number in there. I'm going to find it now. There it is. And let's put that at the top. And also, how about, let's add on there the expected, if it even has it. I think it does. The expected completion date. Maybe not. No. Okay, so we have it listed. Where did serial number go? Went back to the bottom, huh? Bring that one back up to the top, and then click on Find, and it'll list all the equipment that is actually at QualiCal at the moment. Now, you can export that if you need to see that in a Excel spreadsheet. All the information that's here can be exported, and that's for any of those search screens that can happen. So click OK, and it takes you to the view the work order. So this is what's actually at QualiCal right now. So there's your estimated completed date. So that gives you an idea if you're looking to see, okay, my equipment's over there, when can I expect it to be completed? I mean, it's not going to be 100% accurate all of the time, but it gives a good estimated completion date right here. And logs, so it just basically gives you an idea. The cert is not going to be complete at this point because it's just the work order. Recall would be it's a report that you can use to tell you, okay, between this date and this date, this is what gauges are going to come due for calibration. So let's say you want to see, okay, let's check out what's going to be coming due in April. So you would change those dates and then click on refresh, and it shows you a list. You've got 21 items that are actually going to come due in April. You can create a report from there. Now, if the report is not how you would like to see it, if there's something on the list that you would like to see that that is not, or if there's something on there that you want to get rid of, let me know, because this is all customizable. I can take care of that for you, no problem at all. The next tab along is delinquent. So is there anything that's overdue? Showing that these might be incorrect actually. I think that was from when we first got the Met Team system. But that shows you what, so obviously from the beginning of time, I guess, to today's date, and it's always going to default onto today's date, what is overdue. And then you've got some different reports that it can run. These came default with the software. So if there is a particular report that you would really like to see run from, so this is all the active assets. Now you see how it shows you've got your customer serial number, you've got description, manufacturer model number, and what the disposition is. If you want to see some more information on there, or you know, if this is too bland, just let me know and I will create a report just for you. It will be in PDF. It's all done through Crystal Reports, but yes, I can do that for you. Not a problem. What's nice about it also is it gives you all the information date. So for audit purposes, this is really great. And that's it. So if there is any more information that you need about our customer portal, don't hesitate to ask. I would be glad to help you in any way. Again, the address to get there would be portal.qualical.net. Or you can also visit our website, qualical.net, and where you see the page for the customer portal, there will be a link there. Okay, so I'll see you all soon.